everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Now, I know it's got SS badges all over it, and technically, you can't tell these cars from the VIN. It's a 136 car, which is how an SS would have started in 71. But I'm going to tell you guys, if I know something, we've been around since 78, man. I tell you, you can see where this car had rocker moldings on it. SS's never had rocker moldings. That's why I'm going to tell you, this is a clone. Big block 454 underneath the hood, 4-speed, disc brakes, 12-bolt rear end, round gauges and everything in it. So it's got all the SS options. But I'm going to tell you that's probably changed. Now, maybe somebody at one time messed up and wanted rocker moldings on it, but like I say, I been doing this a long time. If I know something, I'm going to tell you. Nice car, about a 7-8-year-old restoration. You can see it's got the cowl hood, finished in cranberry red. Got the black SS striping, black vinyl top, black interior. Nice set of 15-inch Cragar SS's all the way around it. Pounding 454. You can definitely pick a couple little things in the paint. There's some little touch-up marks. I love the 71 marker lights. Again, they've changed it to all the SS trim. Bumpers have definitely been replaced. I apologize about the low light, guys. We're shooting this thing this morning because unfortunately we got one of those nasty Michigan winter days coming today. So there's snow coming with 50-mile-an-hour winds. So we're going to shoot this thing first thing this morning and get it posted. Vinyl top's in good shape. I mean, this is a nice car. A little bit of a hot rod. When I say that, built up 454, nothing crazy. Still runs on pump gas and everything. But if you're wanting something with some thump, this car's got it. See a little mark in your clear coat there. Good looking car, man. Clean, straight. It's got an R in the VIN, so it was originally Arlington, Texas built car. But I bought the car locally. Nice and flat down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Again, with a set of 15-inch Cragar SS wheels. Good looking car. Power front disc brakes. And you guys must have missed a little wax. We see that right there, guys. Again, healthy 454. It's got 750 Edelbrock, 4-barrel in it. Muncie 4-speed manual trans, Edelbrock air gap intake on it. Does have a nice set of Hedman headers. Power steering, power front disc brakes, HEI distributor. Nice little cam to it. It is a heater delete car, if you notice that, guys. Aluminum radiator. Use a stock shroud. Good looking car. Car's got a real good look. Little crack there in your speaker cover. probably shows up a little bit. That mirror's showing a little wear though. A little age to it. They've definitely changed those. New door rubbers. Bucket seats, console, sports steering wheel. It's got the Muncie shifter in it. Headliner looks good. I don't know if you can see it, but 74,023's on your odometer. It's supposed to be the right miles, aftermarket tach. It's got some aftermarket gauges. Again, heater delete car. It does have an aftermarket radio in it. I know the owner's manual's in the glove box. It's got a good sounding H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. It is a 12-bolt 331 limited slip rear end with the rear sway bar. There's a spare in here. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. It's got a great sound to it. Sounds like a big block Chevelle should, I'll tell you that right now. 12-bolt rear sway. Again, if you're a veteran to my videos, I tell you about, I don't know, 75–80% of the Chevelles you see you can't document. And so nobody can really tell you if they're an SS or not through the VIN number. And but if I know something, I'm going to tell you guys. A lot of people tell you, oh yeah, we think it's a true SS. I don't believe this car is. I think it's a tribute car. Buckets, console. Little split there in your dash. Floor mat rolled back. Those are new. This shows a little wear. Car hits, man. Sounds good. Good now. Fuel gauge work, tach works. Everything else is on your gauges down there. You can see it's holding good oil pressure. It's power brake or parking brake work, Jordan? Parking brake does work, guys. Great sound. And it'll run, guys. Of course, we're not going to put it out on the road today because of all this wetness. Radio works. Doors open and close nice. Here comes that snow that they're talking about. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way, you can get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.